Setting up a YouTube channel is easy, fast, and free. It gives you access to a large audience, with 2 billion people using the service on a monthly basis. But there's a lot of competition, as more than 500 hours of video is being uploaded to YouTube every minute. So to succeed on the platform, you must truly stand out from the crowd. Step-by-step instructions on how to set up a YouTube channel. To create a YouTube channel, the first thing you need is a Google account. Go to the YouTube app. Click the upper right profile display icon. Click the Switch account. Click the plus sign. Now, follow the circle. Fill up all the correct information. Pick your Gmail address or create your own. Create a strong password. Type your YouTube channel name. Finally, YouTube channel has done. Congrats! You've now successfully set up a YouTube channel. But this is just the first step. To appear professional, you now have to add in a profile photo, description, and other details. Just click the Customize Channel button and play around with the options available. Everything is pretty straightforward, so we won't go into details here. Once that's all set up, you can begin uploading videos and start chasing your dream of becoming the next big thing on YouTube. Good luck! Thank you for watching it. For more videos, please hit like, share, and subscribe.